My name is Chef John Cardona and I'm here to introduce you to your 48-inch Pro Harmony. I do want to talk about our griddle. This griddle is non-stick, it's rust-proof, and it's cast iron aluminum. This thing is perfect for not having to use a lot of other pots and pans. For example, for breakfast, if you're doing pancakes, if you're doing crepes, if you're doing scrambled eggs, or you're doing omelets. It's going to go between 150 and 500 degrees. That's very versatile to have that variety of temperature, specifically for a griddle. So on our hot 500 degree griddle, we're gonna go ahead and add some grapeseed oil, drop our mushrooms on there. Depending on how much of that caramelization flavor that you want on here, depends on how much time you want to drop them on there. I want this to be light and not overpowering. I want balance in my whole meal here. Light browning, not too heavy. So now we're going to clean our griddle. This is just a damp cloth. And what I love about this, it's dishwasher safe too. That's the easiest griddle to clean. All right, so now after a griddle has been cleaned, we're gonna finish with our spinach. It's gonna start welting. Once this is welted down, I'll put it back in the bowl. So at this point, I'm gonna drop our spinach, going to drop our mushrooms, bring up the heat real quick. All right, so we got this plated. We're gonna take this to the table and we're gonna have fun.